Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and welcome to my channel, where you don't have to be rich to be financially free. So today we're going to look at TradingView and we're going to go over how to use some of the screeners, the stock screener and the crypto screener in particular. In my daily and weekly updates, I'll be sending out signals that this generates, and it's up to you to interpret them because, again, I am not a financial advisor. Enough talking about that, and let's get straight into this video. So obviously you're going to go to TradingView.com, and in the top you'll see screeners. Let's click on the stock screener. And you'll see that I already have it sorted to top losers by performance. You can sort all of the stocks by these different time frames. And I'm curious about what's changed the most from year to date. Some have, wow, this went up over 1,000% in the last year, Lightwave Logic Inc. But let's look at something else now. I actually want to see the top gainers and the top losers, because that's going to help me figure out what might be likely to change direction, go up or go down. I'm looking for stocks and tokens and currency pairs that are at a pivot point, I guess, where they're going to change their direction so that I can either buy or sell. And let's go to oscillators, because right now we've been looking at performance, but where the signal comes from are the oscillators, because it's looking at the RSI, which is the relative strength index oscillator, and that measures the relative strength of the price history over n number of days, whether it's been negative or positive. And when something is overbought or oversold, it can indicate to buy or sell. For example, when a stock is overbought, it's likely to sell because there's too many people buying it, and now they're going to want to take profits and unload. Oversold, on the other hand, it's the opposite. If something's been oversold, it's likely to go up. On the RSI, you'll see this in a different video that we're going to talk about, and when we look more in detail at the charts. So let's go to crypto. We're going to look at the crypto screeners, and this is what's been overbought already, you can see here. And I'm just going to go to oversold first instead and see what's going on, because I actually am more interested in buying right now because the market's looking pretty bullish. So we can see there are strong buy indicators for several coins that actually haven't gone up like some others have. For example, in the weekly and daily updates, there will be indicators of what's a buy, what's a sell in terms of crypto and currency pairs, as well as some stocks, as well as the top gainers and losers for stocks and cryptos. And these are not things that you should just go blindly buy on, okay? You need to do your own research. You'll see the signal, and that will be a clue to go check out the chart, and then you can decide on your own whether or not you want to buy or sell that pair or act on that signal. So I'm looking at the Chainlink chart right now, and Chainlink had a strong buy signal. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to change the MACD settings in the bottom for the fast length to be 9, and then the slow length to be 50, because this is better suited to the crypto market and how the crypto market fluctuates. The Link token has been going in a general downward trend on the MACD, but the it's losing momentum and starting to come back to the upside. So I'm taking my Fibonacci retracement from the previous all-time high into the last low, the lowest low, to see where we're at in the Fibonacci sequence. And it looks like we're pretty near a buy zone. We're not close to the all-time high. We are already below the zero on the MACD, and we generally want to trade towards the direction of the zero line in the MACD or follow the direction of that. So it would be a buy. I'm already holding a Link token, but maybe I'll buy some more. Now, Algo was another buy indicator that we had. I'm changing the MACD again, and we can see that on the top, this is also a moving average, this blue line and this orange line, and you can see that they cross at certain points. And this 200, 500 EMA cross is often called a golden cross or a death cross. 50 is blue, 200 is orange. So when the fast moving average, the blue, goes above the orange, it's a golden cross. It's a very, very bullish trend. Now when the blue goes underneath the orange, it's a death cross or a bearish trend. However, generally in trading, the golden cross is a much stronger indicator than a golden cross. You can see at the times where it crossed, there was generally movement though in that direction, even if it was small. And it looks like algo has been consolidating for a bit, and it's just outside of a good buy zone in general. However, it had a nice sort of semi-golden cross that just happened on the 1 hour time chart, and maybe it's a good buy, especially if the crypto market is heading into another big bull run. I'm going to double check another indicator, because you always want to have at least 3 indicators telling you to make a trade before you actually make a trade. So you can see here, you can see these purple lines down here. I had to move my time back a bit, so I'll do that. These purple lines are showing the relative strength of the price, and when it goes above this dotted line, it's approaching a selling zone. Like, this is sort of a buffer zone. When it's below that dotted line, if it's up high, you know it's going to go back down, and if it's going below the bottom dotted line, it's probably going to go back up. The next coin, and I'm really excited to talk about this, is Crypto.com, the CRO coin. And I just got my very, very first Crypto.com debit card, the Royal Indigo Purple. Wow, it's so exciting. So I have had the Platinum American Express for the last few years. I've never had a debit card with such awesome benefits. I have crypto staking, airport lounge access, Spotify, Netflix, 3% back on all my cash purchases. So I really highly recommend checking out Crypto.com. Check out their just trading for cryptocurrency is amazing. You can buy so many altcoin pairs. It's really easy to get your crypto to fiat and fiat to crypto. Very seamless, very nice user interface. And you can scan the QR code in the video. Just pause the video really quick and scan the QR code to sign up today. It really helps me out. It allows me to make content like this, and I'm really excited to share with you guys and help you become financially free and stay ahead of the curve. Let's continue with our analysis of CRO coin. I know it's going up, but I was excited to see this in the oscillator. So like, I bought CRO yesterday or several days ago, and I noticed that it had already gone up in my account. And when we're looking at the chart, look at that. Just it looks like it actually might consolidate. We had a nice big golden cross here. And as you can see, there was that bearish cross right before. However, the golden cross is so much stronger, and it's really starting to moon. It might have something to do with the Matt Damon commercial that happened. And I mean, this is really just going to explode. I think this coin has a lot of potential. Right now, we're at a huge resistance point. I think this is where our last all-time high ever was. And we're really just shooting up there. I think it's safe to say there's a lot of potential here to break through and create some new all-time highs with CRO coin. So I think that's really all I got for you guys with this one. And Binance also has some really good options for, you can set market limits, you can put stops as well on your purchases and on your sells, and there's a lot more options for you as a trader to succeed when you're using Binance. So that's why I also have a link to Binance. You can get some free Bitcoin using any of the links that I have in the description. However, for you and your convenience, you can just pause the video and scan the QR code in the advertisement. Thank you so much. I only promote things that I truly believe in, and we still have a few more coins to look at. One is this ANC Bitcoin pair, and I actually don't know what ANC coin is. So let's say I did decide I want to buy this coin. I would definitely go and do research on the project before. Don't just go buy random coins just because you saw something that says buy, or a YouTuber that you like. Any YouTuber talked about it, or even on like a news source, because a lot of times those are sponsored as well. So try and find their white paper, what events they might have coming up for their blockchain. How is their technology influencing the space or helping improve the space? And this is the same for stocks and every other kind of investment. Make sure you know what you're buying into, and try and be as informed as possible in all of your money making and investment decisions. being meticulous matters. In the budgeting episode that we talked about, it was one of my first episodes, and I really encourage you to check that out. You can also get a free budgeting template below, and you can just easily input, what you make every month, and it'll help you break down exactly how you should be spending your money so that you have enough to invest, go on vacation, go shopping, and pay all your bills. The joy of budgeting. Anyways, I think that's all I got for you guys today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Tune into my daily and weekly updates, and then you'll be able to understand what these oscillator signals are that are telling you whether you can buy or sell different stocks, cryptocurrencies, or foreign exchange pairs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. If there was something in this video that you found particularly useful, please share it with your friends and family. I greatly appreciate it. Everything helps. And if you have any other comments, please let me know. Bye.